Verifying your IQ Option account is an essential step to ensure security and comply with financial regulations. Here's how you can verify your account. Sign into your account. First, log into your IQ Option account using your credentials. Navigate to Account Verification. Once logged in, go to the Profile or Settings section, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. There, you will find an option for Account Verification or KYC. Provide personal information. IQ Option will ask for some personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure that the information you provide matches the details on your ID documents. Submit verification documents. To complete the verification process, you will need to upload 2 key documents: proof of identity, a government-issued ID, proof of address, a recent utility bill, bank statement, or official government document that shows your name and address. Wait for approval. Once you upload the required documents, IQ Option's verification team will review them. This process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Verification complete. After successful verification, you will receive a confirmation email. Your account will now be fully verified and you can start trading or withdraw funds.